We'll guide you through how to fix Outlook won't send or receive emails. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Outlook. So you're finding that it's not receiving or sending emails. We're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to go and resolve this. This problem can be annoying as perhaps you're trying to do some work or go and get in contact with somebody and you're unable to. So make this full guide, and hopefully with the help of this video, we're going to be able to go and solve it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for the first fix, what we're going to try doing is going to the bottom of your computer and you want to go and press search. You want to go and type in Task Manager. You should go and get suggested it and you can click on it. It'll go and open up. Now what you need to do is you can go and press search at the top and you want to go and type in Outlook. In here, you want to go and find it and you want to go and press end task. If you see any other process relating to it, you can select it and go and end them. This will go and fully close it. Then what you need to do is go and press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in Outlook like so and open it up again. It will then go and open it up again. Just be patient when it goes and loads. And sometimes doing this, completely shutting it down and opening it again can go and solve it. Hopefully it does. If it's still not working, do just ensure that your internet connection is working. So likely it is if you're watching this video on your computer, but if you're not, try opening up a web browser, as it could be a problem with the internet connection on your computer, which is why it isn't working. However, if you find that it isn't, then what you need to do is for the next fix, we're going to come and close out of Outlook, press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in settings. In here, come to the left and you want to go and press apps, and then you can go and press installed apps at the top. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and type in 365 like so. Now, if you have results here, that's fine. If you don't worry, and we'll go and get into the next step. But if you do, press the three dots to the right and you want to go and press modify and press yes. And what we can try doing is a quick repair. You can select quick repair and press repair and it'll go and run through. You can then see if that will solve it when you open it up. If it still doesn't, you can come back and do online repair, select that and press repair and let it complete, open up Outlook and see if it's solved. However, if you're not finding that the option here is appearing, then instead you can type in Outlook, come to the right and press the three dots and you want to press advanced options. Then you can scroll down here and press terminate and you can try doing a repair and reset. After you've done that, you can go and open it up again and you can go and see if it's now working and it's been solved. Hopefully it has. If you're still finding that it isn't, then what you can try doing is a reset. This will go and log you out, by the way, so make sure you want to go about this and you can go and press reset and it'll then go and do it and you can come and open it up again and hopefully now the problem will go and be solved. As I said, you will need to go and log back in, which I'll go and do now. After you sign back in, hopefully now the problem's solved. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.